The Webb 40cm rear roller electric push mower has got some absolutely amazing features and is a fantastic mower for the larger garden. First of all, it has a 40cm wide cut on this, so you're going to get those incredible stripes, that gorgeous look that you've always wanted for your lawn, and also that 45-litre grass collection box. That means you're not going to be running backwards and forwards to the compost heap all the time to empty this, and there's no false alarms with emptying this as well, because a little indicator on the side here flaps up and down as the box is filling up. Once the box is completely full, that sits dead flat, telling you that's the time to empty the grass box. Of course, that rear roller is such an amazing feature because we all adore stripes on our lawn, and it just gives you that quintessential British garden lawn look that you've always wanted. 6 cutting heights on here as well, 25mm to 75mm. And that is really, really important because when you start using your mower in the spring and the grass is really, really tall, it's so important not to go straight down on a really low cut. If you do that, you'll shock the grass. When the sun comes out, it'll get scorched. So start on that higher cut, on that 75mm cut, and then as the seasons progress, you can drop all the way down to that 25mm cut and just get that wonderful green lawn with the stripes you've wanted all summer. And this is all powered by an 1800 watt motor as well, so a powerful motor on this. And you know what? Not just 10 meters of cable on here, 18 meters of cable. So you're going to cover a huge area with this. No need to fiddle about with extension leads and all that kerfuffle. Just mow and go with this machine. 3-year warranty we've given this machine. We love it so much, we've given it that 3-year warranty. And also an extra feature on this is the mulching plug. If you don't want to cut and collect, but you still want to get that great look, insert the mulching plug into the back of the machine. This chops the grass up really, really finely before it's expelled to give you that great look, but much, much more quickly if you're in a real hurry. So if you want an amazing looking lawn this year, if you've got a large lawn, if you want those stripes, if you want a machine that's going to give you a fabulous looking lawn for year after year after year, this is the machine for you. This is one of many amazing Webb power products. For any questions, please leave a comment below or subscribe for more tips and advice.